Hi, I'm Zach, Director of Global Marketing for TRENDnet. Today I'm presenting our 300 megabit per second dual band wireless and USB adapter. This high performance dual band wireless and USB adapter features advanced dual band technology, allowing users to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless frequencies, providing up to 12 times the speed and 4 times the coverage of a wireless G adapter. This compact adapter works with dual band as well as regular wireless N, G, and B networks. One-touch Wi-Fi protected setup, or WPS, takes the hassle out of connecting to a wireless network. It offers Wi-Fi multimedia, or WMM, quality of service technology that prioritizes streaming video, audio, and gaming. It is compatible with both PC and Mac operating systems, and it comes with a generous 3-year warranty. Be sure to check out TRENDnet's 300 megabit per second dual band wireless and USB adapter model TEW664UB, now available at buy.com.